Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Vivo upcoming smartphone, the X60 series, X60 and X60 Pro leak in live images. We are expecting to see Vivo new OriginOS based on Android 11 due on November 18 alongside the company X60 series phones. So far we have heard of three devices, the X60, X60 Pro and X60s 5G. Now leaked shoots of the X60 and X60 Pro counterpart, as you can see on this picture, have appeared on a Vivo, showing their designs and confirming they will indeed doubt with Vivo new OriginOS interface. The X60 is shown in the flat display on a centered punch hole selfie camera. We can also spot in the orange accent power button on the right hand side. The device is expected to duet with the Samsung Exynos 1080 and will reportedly come with a faster charging speed than its predecessor, which topped it out 33 volt. We have also have a snapshot of the X60 Pro, which comes with a curved display and will likely be powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 chipset. We have also have a third shoot which adopted the X60 Pro running Vivo upcoming OriginOS. As you can see, this is the Vivo X60 Pro with OriginOS. These picture come from a Vivo Chinese website. The new software is expected to come with a total redesign compared to the outgoing Fun Touch OS with a simplified aesthetics and will be more oriented toward user outside of China. The X60s will be the most affordable variant of the three, powered by the Snapdragon 765G and would support 33 volt fast charging. We will have more detail on the Vivo X60 series soon. So stay tuned with my channel and like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.